When was the last time that you saw this person?
The last time, exact?
Oh, thereabouts.
25 years ago.
Okay, alright. I assume you guys are special, so... Minsan kasi pag sinabi mo, think of someone you haven't seen in a while, they go for dead people. I'm assuming hindi naman dead person ito.
You're good? Okay.
Ayan. Sige. Alright. Last clue na hihingin ko sa'yo. Are we talking of a he person or a she person? A he person. Probably a family member. A father perhaps. Not really. Okay. I need you to imagine na nandun ka sa bahay mo sa province. Okay? And then this person, nandun siya. Alright? Anong tawag niya sa'yo? Wag mo sabihin ko, halimbawa, anak, just don't give me any clue. Okay. Parang. Okay. Alright. I'm assuming, guys, you are familiar with the term remote viewing, yeah?
Yes.
Saan yung province mo? Sige, sabihin mo.
Pasig.
Pas.
Iniisip ko meron daw kami.
Yes! So good. Alright, okay. Focus on that house sa Pasig. Imagine that this person is inside the house and the person is waiting for you. Okay, I see the house now. The house, it has a rusty red gate. It has a smaller gate than yung, smaller door than just yung bigger door ng gate. If you want to open the gate, it has to be opened like so. It has to be opened like so. I'm inside now. There's a wall here, and then your house is here. There's a window facing the gate, then the door is facing the wall here on my right. The door is kind of a heavy door, wood carvings, then may aluminum pa, I think. Near the door there's a parang maliit na chair, black old wood. I'm inside the house. There's something hanging on the wall. It's a portrait of someone. Wait. Yung sofa is moss green, isang maliit, isang mahaba. Then there's a dirty kitchen further. Imagine that this person is here and hinihintay ka niya. And imagine na kasama mo kami when you went to the house and you're going to introduce us to the person. Say yes if I'm correct. Imagine it in your mind, sinasabi mo, ini-introduce mo kami sa kanya. Guys, meet Adriel.
Huh?
Adriel.
Wow. Shit.
What?
I got the house messed up. Maybe it's my imagination. But you got the name right. Yeah.
Thanks.